And a big shout out to 22 for the $20 super thanks and Not Your Business for the $25 super thanks. Thank you for donating to the Human Fund.
The Human Fund. Money for people.
What do you think?
It has a certain understated stupidity.
Unfortunately, I can't drink, or else I would take 2 shots, one for each of you guys that have been donating. But instead, because of my heart condition, I can't. So here's a video of me taking a shot. Cheers to that. We're going to be millionaires. Wow, that peppermint schnapps. Ooh, I haven't had that in a while. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are having a great weekend. Unfortunately for me, it's raining and thunderstorming here in the suburbs of Chicago. But that aside, I guess I will be indoors and I will be making some videos. Let's go over stocks that are either at the bottom or are about to bottom, or levels to watch out for a buying opportunity near a previous low that has bounced off of SoundHound. If you're interested in AI stocks, SoundHound, definitely look to buy around under $4. This is where we bounced here previously. The stock loves to have these uptrends followed by a downtrend, uptrend followed by a downtrend. So if it's going to continue this pattern, we should expect it to come down as low as $4 and under, and that's going to be your buying opportunity if you're looking for a good swing trade to the upside on the bounce. AITX, if you want to wait for a bottom, definitely wait for 003s, 0025s. The bottom is all the way down here. This is where the absolute bottom. It could not go lower than 003s, 002s. So if you have the patience, exercise it and wait for 002s, 003s. Tilray, I'm keeping a big eye on this one because this has stayed bottomed out since June of last year, where it touched 150, had a huge run, again came down as low as 164, ran again, and you can see it rinse and repeats here within this trading range. So I'm watching this one for under 170, and I will be looking to accumulate for the next big run on this one. As long as it's going to stay in this trading range, might as well take advantage of it. So this one's probably the best one to keep an eye on. This one's right now, keep a very close eye on it, because people don't want it here, and but then they want it when it gets a catalyst and it explodes. So that's probably the big play coming soon near you. ILUS, the bottom here at 008. I wouldn't recommend chasing, but we might be priming for a big run here. So if you want to get in, definitely wait for 008s, 007s. And let's see, Riot stock, isn't it pulling back? Riot stock is within a trading range here between 922 and 1102. So watch out for under $10. This one has been money under $10. Let me switch to the higher time frame so you get a clear view of this stock's bottom right there. There's the bottom. You can see it very clearly. The bottom is down here. Anytime it goes under 10, it's a buy, because sometimes it can run as far as 20. So definitely $10 and under, accumulate. I think that goes for pretty much any miner. Mara stock, same thing, because they all follow each other. Bottom is down here under 15, and that's where you would look to accumulate and buy in for the next run in this sideways trend. And finally, let's see. No, I'm not going to talk about BBAI. SoFi, it's within a wedge. It is technically near a bottom. It's within a wedge. So wait and see if it breaks to the upside, because you don't want to buy here and then it breaks to the downside. Because the next bottom is going to be like at $4.50. So definitely, I think it's better to wait to see if the pattern is going to play to the upside. So I wouldn't buy in yet, but it is technically near an area where it has bounced off of previously. So that's another one to keep an eye on for. Yeah, this one, definitely keep an eye on this one. Tuesday, and same thing for Tilray. So Tilray and Sophie right now, probably the biggest place to keep an eye on. And I think that's it. I mean, AMC, GME, keep an eye on these for a day trade opportunity, but that's about it. I don't think I'd want to swing trade these. So I'm not going to talk about them. I already made separate videos for those two. I don't think there's anything else. Palantir, I have not looked at Palantir. Maybe Palantir might be a good one. Let's see where's Palantir. See, Palantir's been so overvalued. Ooh, Palantir right at the bottom. It's right at it's kind of it bounced off of this bottom today. Not today, on Friday. No, not Friday. Wait, were we open Friday? No, yeah, no. It was Friday. So yeah, we are right at the bottom here. So again, Palantir, SoFi, and Tilray are the big ones to watch for a bounce or an accumulation opportunity. And before I go, I know two people who donated through who gave me two super thanks. Donated super thanks. I don't know what is that what I is that what I'm supposed to say? They donated super thanks, but two people who donated wanted me to look at Ivda and Cultf. What the hell are those? Ivda stock? That's a stock? It is IVDA. Okay, you should have given me the ticker name because I'm like Ivda. What's Cultf? Oh, it's an actual. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So it's an OTC. Ivda. What's going on with Ivda here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see. This is the previous bottom. Oh wow. Okay, this thing has a one hell of a bottom down here. I know nothing about the company, so I'm not going to pretend like it's a good company. But if we just look at the technicals here, 22. I believe that was 22. Please tell me it was 22. Yeah, that was 22. So yeah, 22. IVDA, at least on the technicals, looks like the bottom is down here at around 50. Yeah, in the 50 to 60 cent range. So that's where you would want to accumulate and probably set a stop loss as low as 45 in case it does break down because it has not broken down below that since late 2022. So it might be a good opportunity here in the technicals, but definitely you want to set a stop loss. Definitely, yeah, definitely have a strategy here. So I would set my stop if I was trading this, which I'm not because I know nothing about the company. Set a stop loss at like 44, and I would buy in. I would start. Yeah, I would start buying in at around 50s. Yeah, low 50s, mid 50s, and accumulate there and see if it gets another run. It's held for years, so it's actually looking pretty good. But again, I also look at the company, and I don't know much about the company. I'll have to look into that and see what they're about. But if their company, if it's a company that constantly drops PRs or occasionally drops PRs, then we're good. Wow, it's an AI play? Really? That's interesting. Is this really an AI? What is this stock? What is this? I'm trying to find the profile for this. I'm using two screens right now, so I actually am looking, but I'm looking down here. Let me pull it up for you guys. What is this description? Provides AI and digital transformation technologies in the United States and Taiwan. Wow, okay. They have an upcoming event on August 14th. You know what? Hey, there's a filing here? Wow, okay. I'm a little shocked. I thought this was going to be just a scam company. It's got real, okay, it has good assets to liabilities ratio. Where is the total revenue? I want to see the big numbers here. Revenue, okay. Uh, so they made less money compared to last year because last year was 2.2 million versus 346,766. They made less gross profit compared to last year. Their net income must have been lower than. Where's the net income before I move on here? Net loss, is that it? Yeah, so they didn't. They made less money this year. Oh, wait. Yeah, they made less money. But actually, not. They made less money. Okay, so on the technicals, at least, this is a buy. But looking just a quick look at the financials, it looks like it lost a lot of money year over year. So that's kind of concerning. So you make what you want of that 22, but if you're just playing the technicals, definitely just buy at the bottom, have a stop loss, and see how it works out because it does like to have some pretty juicy runs. It seems like some 100% plus runs. So the risk to reward is definitely there. And what's the other one? Called F. Called F. Oh boy, I would not touch this. I don't know what's going on with this one, but I would not. What's the volume? I would not touch this one. I think the other one is a better play. Just looking at the chart. All it took was a couple seconds of looking at the chart, and I knew right away. This is at a top. Like it has to break out above 20 to go higher. If it doesn't, you're buying the top here. That's what you're doing. So hopefully you haven't bought in and you don't buy in. I think just based off of Cultf versus IVDA is the better play because you're not chasing no top and you're buying where the previous bottom was that has been held. It's been holding up since late 2022. So I think this is the better play. If in terms of investment, I don't know anything about either to be able to say anything good or bad about it. But on the technicals, IVDA right now is looking like a good opportunity. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.